Hello, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is structure of chromosome and cell division. Chromosome. You must have heard this name chromosome. It is related with the nucleus. Now remember children, nucleus has a network of fibers which are called chromatin fibers. Chromatin. Look at this, chromatin fibers. Okay, it's like a network. Okay, it's in an entangled state of many fibers. They are not condensed. During cell division, these network of fibers will get condensed and distinct to form structure called chromosomes. Now, who discovered chromosomes? Chromosomes were first discovered by a scientist called Walther Fleming. He discovered it in amphibian called salamander. Okay. On further studies of the chromatin fibers, when it was studied intensely, it was found that it is composed of 40% DNA and 60% histones. Children, histones are proteins which are present in the chromatin fibers, and these proteins, children, histone proteins are there only in eukaryotic cell, never will be seen in prokaryotic cell. So 60% histone, 40% DNA. Now look at this, children. There is a DNA strand. This is a DNA strand. This is called histone core. Histone core. DNA strand wraps twice around the histone core. It's like a ball around which a rope is being tied twice. So there is this histone core which is made of 8 histone molecules from the histone core, and the DNA comes and wraps around it twice. Children, pay attention. This histone core wrapped by 2 turns of DNA is called nucleosome. It's called nucleosome. So basically, if you study the chromatin fibers, you will see many repeating nucleosomes. Okay. A chromosome has got around million nucleosomes. So a nucleosome is made up of 8 histone molecule wrapped by 2 turns of DNA. Okay, I hope you understood this. Now, DNA. We'll study DNA in detail. DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid. Okay, deoxyribonucleic acid. As we know, children, it is responsible for heredity. It is responsible for our genetic characters. Okay, so that is deoxyribonucleic acid. Deoxyribonucleic acid, children, is present in the nucleus, in the chromatin fibers. DNA was first seen by Rosalind Franklin, but the actual structure of DNA was given by 2 scientists, James Watson and Francis Crick. Okay, so Watson and Crick, these 2 scientists have given the structure of DNA. Double helix. What is this double helix? Actually, there are 2 strands. DNA, remember children, is a double stranded structure. Two strands but which are twisted around each other. They have 2 parallel strands, but they are twisted around each other to form a structure called double helix. Okay, double helix. So this is the structure of DNA. Now, throughout the length of the DNA strand, you will have repeating units. Throughout the length, you will have repeating units. Okay, just like in a protein, you will have many repeating units of amino acids. Okay, वैसे ही in the DNA strand, this is one DNA strand, this is the other DNA strand. Each DNA strand has repeating units called nucleotides. I am repeating it again, children, so you don't get confused. In a chromatin fiber, you will have repeating unit called nucleosome. But if somebody asks you what is the repeating unit in a DNA strand, you will say nucleotide. Okay, so a DNA strand has repeating units called nucleotide. Each nucleotide has 3 components. One is sugar, that is pentose sugar, C5H10O4. Second is a phosphate group, and third is nitrogen bases. Now, nitrogenous bases are divided into 2 groups. There are 4 nitrogenous bases: adenine, guanine, thymine, and cytosine. I'll repeat: adenine, guanine, thymine, and cytosine. So there's one group which has adenine and guanine, and the other group has got thymine and cytosine. Remember, children, very important. If there is adenine on one strand, on the other strand it has to bond compulsorily with thymine, only with thymine. Okay, with a double hydrogen bond. If there is guanine on one strand, compulsorily it will bond with cytosine with a triple hydrogen bond. If there is cytosine here, triple hydrogen bond G. Remember this. So A with T, double hydrogen bond, T with A, double hydrogen bond, C with G, triple hydrogen bond, G with C, triple hydrogen bond. Adenine only pairs with thymine. See the spelling of thymine, children. It is not THI, huh? It is THY. Adenine with thymine, double hydrogen bond. Thymine with adenine, double hydrogen bond. Guanine with cytosine, triple hydrogen bond. Cytosine with guanine, triple hydrogen bond. So remember this. Okay, now see, how's the strand? See, this is one strand, this is the other strand. Nucleotide, 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 nucleotide. See this. Phosphate, sugar, nitrogen is base. Nitrogen base, sugar, phosphate. Phosphate, sugar, nitrogen is base. Phosphate, sugar, nitrogen. So nucleotide, 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 nucleotide. Because they are in opposite direction, so they are called anti-parallel. Okay? So this is basically structure of DNA strand. I hope children you've understood the structure of a DNA strand.